Are you like me and you like to go for walks but don't necessarily like walking in your own neighborhood? Well, I am Stephanie Durham with the Whittemore Group at eXp Realty, and I'm going to take you to a place in Niceville, Florida called Turkey Creek Nature Trail. This place is about 20 acres. They have a boardwalk that's a mile long. It has mile markers that'll track your progress. It's marked every quarter mile. And you can have the option to bring your swimsuit and get in the creek, enjoy some tubing or swimming, kayaking, canoeing, whatever you like to do out in the water. And you can pack a lunch as well. There's pavilions out there for you to sit down and eat or just enjoy a relaxing time out, having a picnic with your friends and family. But again, this is Turkey Creek Nature Trail in Niceville, and I'm gonna take you there now. Stay tuned. I'm out here enjoying the trail at Turkey Creek Nature Trail in Niceville. It's actually a very awesome place to be on a non-rainy day. You can bring the kids out here because they hear a lot of birds and turtles and ducks. And there's also a little creek where you can go tubing or kayaking or just go for a swim. There's a lot of groups out here today, and it is a Thursday, so lots of people out enjoying the non-rainy day. There's lots of groups out here, so I'm trying not to intrude on them, but I just wanted to take a walk myself and enjoy the fresh air. I hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek of Turkey Creek in Niceville. If you are curious about any other places in Niceville or the Destin-Fort Walton Beach area, please let us know. As you can probably hear, we're close to the base, so you can hear a lot of the airplanes going by and the airport as well. But yes, if you want more information on the Destin-Fort Walton Beach area or Niceville, just let us know. Drop us a comment below. And make sure you like and share this video with anyone else that may be interested in Turkey Creek or the Walton Beach Destin area. I'm Stephanie Durham with the Whittemore Group at eXp Realty. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell to make sure you're notified next time we do a video. We'll see you guys next time.